Hello and welcome students. In this video I will be sharing you the information on the software as well as how to set up the sheet, the initial things that we'll be doing in the lab. So initial things to set up the sheet, what are the things is required, and everything I will be explaining you the things like commands, how to operate with the commands, and what are the commands you need to use in this engineering graphics. So first let me open the software for you. So initially it is a desktop, what you can see over here. So you need to go for Solid Edge st9. This is our software icon, Solid Edge st9. It might be there in the desktop also. You can see here, you can double click on this, that will open that. So initially what I will be doing it, I will be sharing you the commands and also the environment of this software. This is the screen what you will get. Of course it will be different for different system, but generally you will get this screen when you open the software. What I will do is, I will since you are new to this, I will start with the new things. You can click on new, left click. I am using left click, mind it, left click of the mouse button, and then since I am doing 2D drawings, so I will be going for this isometric draft. You see that isometric draft represents that it is an Indian standard, so that we will be using it for our construction. I will choose isometric draft. So thereby you see that the commands are ready, and you see home, sketch, different tabs are there, which will be seeing one by one while doing the problem. And initially, for any problem to start with, you need to set the sheet in A4. Set the sheet in A4, and also you need to make sure that this sketching tab, in this sketching tab, always this maintain relationship should be on. Maintain relationship should be on. And then you make sure that all this whatever option, we call this as a IntelliSketch. In sketching tab, you make sure that all the points, you can see all are ticked. Okay, all are ticked. You make all as ticked. Okay, so that everything will be visible. I will tell you what is IntelliSketch while constructing the line or surface. I will be sharing you that information. In this case, first let me tell you construction of the sheet. So first what we need to do is, construction of sheet should be done. For construction of sheet, if we need to set the sheet to A4, because after completion of the drawing, the sheet you are going to take the printout. So that printout is given in A4 sheet. So that's why we need to set the sheet in A4. For setting that sheet, you see that here, first what you need to go for here, you need to right click on the sheet 1, right click on the sheet 1, and then left click on the sheet setup. Right click on the sheet 1, left click on the sheet setup. In this you will come across 3 tabs: size, name, background. You come for the background tab, you click on, left click on this A2 sheet. Currently it is in A2. What we need to do, we need to make it in A4. So left click on A4, and then you click on save defaults, and click on OK, and you fit it. So now currently it is in A4 sheet. Next, what we need to do is we don't require this whatever background is there, which is here, whatever the background table is there, that is not required as per your knowledge. So for what we need to do, so for I need to hide or I can delete that background table. So by going into the background, see here, that option is available here only. Right click on sheet 1 and left click on background. Right click. After right clicking on sheet 1, left clicking on background, you will get 4 sheets which are available. So you left click on A4 and then what you will do, you fit it. You see here there are options, many options are there on the bottom right corner. Lot of options are there. Here there is one command called fit. So you can fit so that it will fits the screen. Then you hold your left mouse button, and drag that. So after you drag it, you see that it will become, it will change its color. It will become pink, so that it indicates that it has been selected. You need to delete it, right? So press delete from your keyboard. And similarly, above table also is not required. So what I will do, I will just see my cursor, left click, hold your left mouse button, drag this, then leave. Then what you will do, it will be in pink color. Then I want to delete it, so press delete. So it has been deleted. So you see that background, there is only a line here or one block which is representing it is a A4. That means you need to do the drawings within this block. Within this block only you need to do. If you do drawing here outside the box, that will be not printed. So that's why we are constructing this A4. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to come back to the sheet. This sheet, where if I left click on that, it will up. You see that this is your sheet. Okay. And I want to hide this background. So for hiding that, same thing, what you need to do, right click on sheet 1, left click on the background, you see that background is hidden. A1, A2, A3, A4 is hidden, and also you can see that table is not there. Now the sheet is ready for the drawing. Okay, this is how you can able to construct the sheet, and you try this many a times. Install the software and try this many a times, so that it will, you should be perfect in this. Okay, thank you for watching.